So we're about to have lunch. It's Gerald's birthday, and yeah, we're checking out this Korean spot called Doh. Doh. So we'll see how it goes. Hi guys.
Hi.
JJ, mommy, Shauna in the back.
No.
I can't sing. No, she needs to stop. Cut it out. But yeah.
Let me love you. Let me love you.
A few moments later.
Let's go scare these mother. I want child lock! Nothing's working. It's on the side. That was a fail.
Everyone, this is Ryan. Say hi, Ryan. Hi. That's Jeffrey, Gerald. Hi, Gerald. Happy birthday. High five. High five. So we're here at Doh, and they've started giving us the appetizers or the side dishes. Pretty nice place. There it is.
Fantastic, baby. Dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. Fantastic, baby. Dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. Wow. Fantastic, baby. 이 난장판에 끝판왕 차례 땅을 흔들고 3분은 엄부충분한 race.
Baby Kiana's still out. Still sleeping. What's that? No, no gym today. No. So we're wrapping up lunch. We're pretty much done. And she's still sleeping. Still sleeping. Chubby cheeks. Ow. I see you looking. Uncle Ryan and Uncle Jeffrey.
Bye. Bye, JJ.
Bye.
I'll see you at work, Julie. Oh, that cool.
So ugly. Jeff, say, okay, go have him, go buckle in.
But I